Before we begin, I need to share an important disclaimer with you. Buying a rebuilt title vehicle involves some risk. This course is for informational purposes only and should not be considered a personal recommendation. Every vehicle and situation is different, and you should always do your own research and consult with professionals when making any major purchase decision. With that being said, hello and welcome to the Rebuilt Car Buyer's Course. I'm excited you're here because I'm about to share something that has literally saved me tens of thousands of dollars over the years, and it can do the same for you. My name is Peter, and I've been buying rebuilt title cars for years, not because I had to, but because I discovered they offer incredible value when you know what you're doing. I've purchased multiple rebuilt vehicles for myself, and I've helped friends and family members do the same. Let me give you a quick example of why this matters. A few years ago, I helped a friend to find a rebuilt car that saved him over $8,000 compared to the same model with a clean title. He was so impressed with the quality and the savings that when his son needed a car, he went back to the same specialty rebuilding shop and bought another one. But here's what most people don't understand. Buying a rebuilt car isn't just about finding a cheap vehicle. It's about understanding exactly what you're getting, knowing how to evaluate quality, and making smart decisions that save you thousands without sacrificing reliability or safety. Over the years, I've experienced the full spectrum of rebuilt car ownership. I've owned rebuilt vehicles that were absolutely indistinguishable from brand new cars, perfect in every way. I've also learned some hard lessons from purchases that didn't go quite as smoothly as I planned. For example, I once bought a rebuilt car that had been in a front corner collision. The mechanical work was excellent. They completely replaced the suspension and it drove beautifully. But to save on costs, they only repainted the bumper cover instead of replacing it. A few years later, the paint started chipping and flaking because it wasn't the same high-quality factory finish. The car was mechanically solid, but it taught me some important lessons about different levels of rebuild quality. I've also dealt with the frustration of owning a rebuilt car where the repairs were done with non-OEM parts. The car ran fine, but when I took it to the mechanics for routine service, they were often confused because the clamps and fasteners weren't what they expected based on factory specs. The repairs worked out, but it created unnecessary complications down the road. These experiences, both good and challenging, have taught me exactly what to look for, what questions to ask, and how to make smart decisions when buying rebuilt cars. And that's exactly what I'm going to teach you in this course. You're going to learn the difference between a rebuilt title, a clean title, and a salvage title, and why this distinction is absolutely critical for your safety and your wallet. You'll understand why rebuilt cars cost less, how much you can realistically expect to save, and most importantly, how to evaluate whether a specific rebuilt car is worth buying. I'll walk you through my step-by-step evaluation process, share resources for professional vehicle inspections, and give you the tools you need to negotiate confidently. You'll learn about insurance considerations, warranty implications, and what to expect when it comes time to sell. But this isn't just about theory. Throughout this course, I'll share real examples from my own purchases and the experiences of people I've helped. You'll see what excellent rebuilt cars look like, and you'll learn to spot red flags that signal you should walk away. I'll cover the practical stuff that other courses skip, like how titling procedures work in different states. As an Illinois resident, I can tell you that titling a rebuilt car is basically the same process as any other used car. But procedures can vary by state, and I'll help you understand what to expect in your area. By the end of this course, you'll have the confidence and knowledge to potentially save thousands on your next car purchase. You'll know how to find quality rebuilt vehicles, evaluate them properly, and make decisions that work for your specific situation. Whether you're looking to save money on a reliable daily driver, or you want to get more car for your budget, this course will give you a significant advantage in the used car market. The strategies I'm going to share with you are practical and actionable. I've used them myself, I've taught them to friends and family, and now I'm going to teach them to you. So let's get started. In Module 1, we're going to lay the foundation by making sure you understand exactly what rebuilt title cars are and why they represent such a compelling opportunity for informed buyers. Are you ready to learn how to save thousands on your next car? Well, then let's dive in.